Where they do for take up your clothes. Take them up. Take them up. Take them up. But you come and beat me. Take them up. Come to phone, you better take you up.
Hey, it's been quite a while since I've seen you smile. Take time for yourself, or say it's good to be you. Been soaking so long, your head's hanging down, your face stuck in a frown. Well, listen, baby, I'm done trying to keep it together and wondering whether I'm right or I'm wrong. And all I need is a song. Let's sing it together for now or forever. Yeah, baby, it's out tonight. 'Cause life is a party and the world is a dance floor. Everybody live it up. Live it like you're never gonna give it up. Life is a party, so let's get what we came for. Everybody live it, 'cause the world is a dance floor tonight. One more again. Hey, you don't need to blame the guilt on
Yes, good afternoon again, Miss Bernard.
Good afternoon.
Thank you very much for coming in on such a short notice. I don't know if you are aware that your daughter, Miss Anika here, have been skipping class. We have her on surveillance camera climbing over the school wall. Yes, and we have from a credible source that she has been smoking and also drinking. And to be honest, we don't tolerate those type of behavior at our institution. It's a possibility that if this type of behavior continue, we're going to have to, a matter of fact, I don't want to use the word expel. You're going to have to find another school for her. But just in case you want to start looking one for her, because we'll give you the recommendation, You can either try Petersfield High School or Godfrey Stewart, or you can try by Belmont. I don't know if her grades will withstand Manning's High School, but you can also try Manning's.
Hello, what is your name again, sir?
Dwayne Crawford.
Okay, Mr. Crawford. Jesus, I don't know where to start from. But anyway. Sir, please may I beg you. Just give her a chance. May we talk to her and see if she can change. I did not know that when I send her to school, she school. Her abscan or where you want to call it, her not going to class. Me no know say she not do that. Me send her from a yard to school. Me not walk behind her. Me no know what she do from what she not do.
All right.
Where they do over the people them wall?
All right, Miss Bernard. When you reach home, you can talk to her and discipline her. But question, let me ask you. So you have not been looking in her book to see if she's doing any schoolwork?
You know, the last time I look in her book, I not go tell you no lies. Not every time I check up on her book. But the last time I look in her book, I see a different handwriting in there. I ask her who do this work. She said the teacher them send her go a shop out on the road to go buy something. So she asked one of her classmates to write for her. I don't know if I choose she dey talk, but I did tell her say I go come down there and talk to one of the teachers about it. But true, you know me one. Me have to go up and down and wash dirty clothes and something just to send her at school.
No. Listen, none
Me have it very hard. Me can't afford to send her go them the far school and then the expensive school. Then
I'm going to assure you though that is a total lie. None of our teachers would have never sent her on the road to buy anything, because we have everything at the tuck shop. So that's a lie. But I mean, we're not here to judge her or try to belittle her. You know, she's a student and she's young. She has a lot of potential, but you have to sit with her and talk to her. Because these young females are eating a lot of salt and because of that and a lot of the fast food and thing, their body mature a little bit faster than normal. So because of that, they will tend to want to do things that adults do, like drinking, smoking, and probably engage in things that they shouldn't engage in. So talk to her, and as I tell you, this is just a strike one. So this is not really a reason for expulsion. But for now, she's on chalk line. So if the behavior continue before it has to reach expulsion, we're going to have to put her in full suit of black or full suit of white. That is to indicate that she is a bad student. And we really don't want to do that, because sometimes when we do that and just put them out there, it's like we're setting a bad statement. But she's a nice young lady, but you really have to talk to her, all right?
Oh,
no, Miss
I disappear me don't have to do. Shame me.
No.
Eh?
Miss Bernard, this is not the
Annieka.
time nor the place for this. Wait until you go home, then you discipline her. And I'm going to tell you.
So you really bring me down here for shame
No,
me?
please,
Eh?
please, I'm asking you.
Mr. Crawford, you don't know how hard me have if you send this little girl to school,
I do understand.
And this is one big insult. Me I send her to come learn, me not send her to climb over wall.
Alright, I do understand, but please talk to her. She's at the age now where talking to is best, not physical. Don't do that, please.
Little girl will make you so lie.
Alright, hold on, please. This is not the time.
I'm ready to go on my yard. Watch me and you when me go home. You will see. You know what? Thank you very much, sir. Get up! And that me I give me money if you come waste your time at school. Your favor, sure.
So Joel, where your phone?
You know, I'm looking for the Mr. Doka, I want to rain with it up or something.
Me a call on your phone because I know you left your car down at mechanic how long and I know you're not false. So I say I come with the umbrella because I know you're going to get wet up. You're not done?
No, I'm not done it, I'm soon done. I just want to do a car because I'm not done like you want to swim. Every man care for 1 year on.
So Joel, you're going to soak yourself in the rain?
You just understand it? You just want to understand, please.
Me no want understand because...
And this up your bills, Other work up your bills,
Yes, Joel, but when you get sick, all your bills are paid.
You will take care of them, man.
Joel, come on.
Boy, there's a woman of control still. Alright, we'll just lock it down and just finish time on with you.
Joel, me not control you. I care. Just come on.
I'm going to have a tool in my car. That's what I'm going to say.
Make sure so when you left out of the yard now, you go straight to school. See there? You make your guidance counselor teacher call me. Because you're not top from school. And you're not do your work. Hello? Make sure you work hard. Listen, work hard at school.
Yes, Mom.
Listen to your teacher them. Whatever they say to you and you don't understand, tell them, say, Miss or Sir, I don't understand what you just said to me. You can't explain over again. Come in and understand. You get what me I say? Don't shake your head off for
Yes,
me.
Mom.
Me and you are no size. You understand? And no make. Then call me again about you. Because little more from this. Me hear say this and me hear say that and your name depend whatever. Look how you start get expelled from schools. And if you're not mind sharp, then suspend you. So a different school maybe you have to go. Listen, behave yourself. Me I work too hard and they send you to school for you come out to something good. And you're not show me no little effort say you learn nothing at school. How? What is it, Anika? Any little thing you need to tell me. All when we don't have the world figure right now, you need to tell me. Me we work and take time and save up and buy. Me no send you go to school fi go beg no free drive and no taxi man. Or beg them to buy you no burger. No make no man promise you no burger, no KFC. Satisfy with the money when me give you. Are your parents responsible for you? I don't know man out the road. There's a child. Me need you to listen to what me I say, Anika. Take your book at school. Me tired of it now. Anyway, hurry up and put on your socks and come make case go to school. Left your bag now, girl. You can try. Sure. Take this.
500, mommy. Look how things expensive at school.
Things expensive, but you need to take your book. You see, me I waste my money when I work hard for the gear. I hope you take your book at school. Hold this.
Thanks, mommy, thanks. We can get burger and school over.
What?
Can I get burger and school over?
If you can go away,
Burger and school over.
go a Burger or go Burger King. Which way you talk about?
Burger King.
It depends on the time we reach home. You must know if you want to stand up in a long line. Go on.
Bye, mommy.
What you doing, ma'am? So what you say now? What we can do for you?
I want to come ask if you can give me.
So, you're Joyce Bernard, right?
Yes.
Why? I don't know, but you come like a step in luck. And actually, I know, say, you're one of them where vote for the right party, you know. So, actually, you know, I have a way for go reward you for that. Is you lucky there?
That's what you thought, sir.
Yeah, one.
God, Jesus. Thank you, Father God.
Guess what happened?
Hmm.
You see these?
How are them there?
I have some work program sheet here, which I get a couple of them to hand out to some of the citizens.
Oh,
And because I know say you well, big up in my party, you know. And make sure say I take care of you. All right?
thank you very much.
Yeah, man. Ah, boy, but hold on. Here's the thing. Everything is all right here. It's foolproof. All you have to do is sign up this and bring it back to me. But make sure say you follow the protocol as I say. Get your passport picture. How your record say. That is the only thing that can really stop you from get through, you know.
My record alright. I don't
You sure about that?
I never kill nobody from a barn.
No, it's not have to kill us. Make sure say you're not no bang around or nothing or whatever. Is that okay?
Yes, me alright. Me record alright, sir.
So, let me just give you a word of advice. This way me again, remember, I'm your MP, you know. I mean, when I give you this, I don't want you to embarrass me. All right? We don't want to no run off on them stuff here, because that is the end of the program. See? And I'm going to give you a little bit of advice. You see, it's not farm work, it's called a work program.
Okay.
So actually where I'm gonna send you, most of the time people don't like taking care of old people and them stuff here, but a word of advice is the best thing I could do. Because you see, when I do that, you get to save all of your money, you get accommodation, you get food, you don't have to do worry about nothing.
Me we do
Right, so it's just a little, you know.
So me Pickney, me want she come out to something good in her life and I'm me alone. So me have to get the work. Me not run off, me go come back. Yes.
So, by the way, how is your daughter?
And she alright, you know.
A long time I don't see her, you know, so.
She alright, she gone to school.
School?
Yeah.
No, not that one, man. The bigger one, man. How is she?
And I'm my daughter, you know.
Huh?
I'm my stepdaughter. But she's okay. She there here with her man.
Oh, she did. Oh, does she have a boyfriend?
She live with her man. One thick, short man.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Well, anyway, just sign it up and bring it back.
Okay, thanks. Thank you very much. Thank you very, 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 very much.
All right. No worry yourself, man. Yeah,
Yes.
man. We have vote for the right party, man.
Yes, thanks. Hello?
Yes, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yes, this is the Dean of the Discipline calling from the school.
Dean of Discipline?
Yes, from your daughter's school.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Yes, you know that your daughter hasn't come into school today, so I was calling to find out if she's okay or if it's the same case that she's still hiding from school.
Okay, sir. Don't worry about it. Me put one tracking device on her phone. Yes. And me not think say she know about it. Cause she never see when me I do it.
All right, so here's what you know. Please see me, can do.
Okay.
All right, have a nice day.
Alright. What a lucky thing me did put one tracking device on this little girl phone. Hold on. Let me see where she there. On the beach. Jesus Christ. Me send the little girl at school and she catch a beach. You know what? Me not even about to go so me I go on the beach right now. Give me the phone. Where you do ya so? Get up. Get up. Get up.
Mommy, where you do ya?
Where me a do ya? Where you a do ya so? A school me send you. Where they do ya so? Eh? Girl,
Me just feel like to come at the beach.
you feel like to come a beach.
Yes, mommy.
So the school is for the beach. So all of the teacher them and the principal them they over here. So all the dean of discipline. Where you may call me. So all of them there's something the way the teacher tell me about you.
That is the
You
first
still-
time I skip school.
Girl, stop jawing from me. Stand up one place and don't move. First time you skip school. So I lie the dean of discipline I tell.
Yeah.
What you mean? So why you never tell him say I lie? Why? So me I go sit down and make somebody tell lie upon me. Girl, you fit up tell lie or me bust up your head.
Mommy, I look at it down my phone in the sun.
Where they go? Come back up here, so.
I'm sorry.
You're sorry. Sorry, say what? Me can't catch you.
No,
Let
I'm
me
sorry
tell
if I'm come at the beach.
Anika, last time this me they want you. You see if you not go to school and learn, let me tell you something. Cops now miss you. That are the only thing left in my brain, sister. No, because me have it up to you, so last straw. Where they do for? Take up your clothes. Take them up. Take them up. But you come a beach. Take them up. Come free phone. You might take you up.
You know, so cool. Can we just put it in the fridge?
Thank you. Anyway, a pipe water.
Yeah. You know, drink pipe water?
You know, say, through the heap of rain from the other day, we have to be careful how we drink the pipe water.
Oh, me never did get to go food bad.
You not filter it nor nothing. It's
No.
okay. Thank you very much for the water, but river come down and sit in, me no want, you have to be careful like pipe water. Buy one filter. Anyway, thanks. Anyway. Are your sister me come to talk to you about?
What wrong?
Me know say you're not one bad person, you're not going to say no, but me can't just take her and carry her come, so me need to talk to you first. Anyway, from about few months ago, me did look about one of the you know, the farmer program thing.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, so me get through. And to me know, I just you alone me can rely upon. Me get through with the farm work, everything alright. And so, me just need to sort out myself by suitcase and whatever. And then tell with the flight date and whatever, and tell when to come at town, we go away. But me need somebody to stay with the sister, and you me think are the best person. Mother want leave her with.
Well, yeah, I could do that for you, but like, as you know, she not really used to me like that.
Me know. But me know say you will take care of her, because when you used to live with me, me never used to treat you bad. I know you love your sister, even though no father dead. Me know say you're a good person. I know your sister will love her and take care of her, but do me the beg you. I'm glad me not tell her because she love vex fans on something, you know, where the truth. And your sister, you know, used to her, but me they go tell you. You know enough time she school. A whole heap of time me send her to school and she school. Teacher, if they call me and they tell me, say, how come she not in a class? And me I say, how come? Because I send her to school. But these last days, about 2 weeks ago, I send her to school and she go. Teacher them see her in a class and everything. So maybe she a change, me no know. And me dey beg you do, watch her keenly, carefully do. You as a big sister, me a go depend on you, me dey rely on you to take care of your sister. Do. No make she trick you, because you see true, she not used to you. She will want go on like I say, she don't want to listen what you say. So, watch her keenly. As soon as me start get paid, whether weekly or fortnight, me will send money come give you towards fair thing. You know, school and food and whatever. And so for wash her clothes. And you know, and her little pocket money. And me will send one little money come give you too.
Miss Joyce, when you talk to her, she listen to you?
She listen to me, you know. But behind my back, some things where the people them a tell me say when she they come from school or them behave. You know, if school people them can go on in their uniform on road through them parents not the day. Me not take up fear, although I'm my child. When she see me, she behave herself. When she not see me, I don't know where she do. But me get enough report. Well, people come and tell me all kind of thing about her. Yes.
So how you think should I take this, like the change?
Anyway, you and her sister, we should know. She ain't gonna really used to your children or really grow up together like that. But me think say maybe it will work out. Just try it, cause you me and depend upon to take care of her for me, please.
I have no problem to keep her, no, but I'm kind of afraid of this, cause you know people love to call CD and them things there.
CDA? No make she come out of your eyesight.
But me can't go watch her right around the
know.
clock.
Me know. But may I beg you, just get a keen eye from
I will do it. I will
talk
keep
to her as a big sister and see if she will listen to you. Because me have to do this. You see, in Jamaica, things rough. It's tough. I'm tired of sufferation. Me can't take it no more. And at the end of the day, once things go on for me over there, it all go on for she and also you too. Because you have to say you're my daughter too, you know. Remember say me your father did there. Boy, me miss your daddy, you see, man. Me miss your daddy bad. He was a good man to me.
Yes, Miss Joyce, so you don't have to worry about it. I will definitely keep her, but as you know, I live with somebody, so I hope you're comfortable with that too. And I would have to talk to him about it too, as well, because she's underage, you know, and like I said, she has some problem. So I would have talk to Joel and then make you know.
Okay.
But no issue at all. Alright?
Alright. Thanks, here.
Yeah, man, me I
Oh, you
definitely
can
get
put on the cup for me, please.
Alright.
I don't really like pipe water. Tastes bad.
Hey, baby.
Boy. I don't understand. Why you not clean out the place from me gone?
But I remember say me dey go to school today.
I know say you go to school. I make your money if you go to school. And I hope you go in a class today. Because I'm tired of it. I'm tired of it. In the last month, you missed school 2 weeks straight and every day I send you to school. All when me have the last dime, I send you go to school. You school 2 weeks straight in the last month. And since recently, you know, the teacher say, yeah, she come to school. She present, she not absent. Well, thank God and I hope you take it.
I like teacher for me.
Oi, hello, look for me. You see, if a school you go and go see the attitude and they when you talk to people and they no bother with it with me, no. Me ain't no size makes your mother.
But mommy, me I tell her say me go to school.
No bother with it. Yeah, you go to school, but you not have to do this. You never go pop off. Don't do that. Listen to me now. Why you come from school and don't clean up the place? A long time me gone.
Me go sleep.
You go sleep?
Yes.
So you go on phone and in a bed and sitting for eat. Me did left little food in there, so you eat. You want something for me?
Yeah, me eat and have some for you.
Okay, anyway. I hope your sister had me they come from. I know you don't used to your sister because you don't really grow together like that, you know?
My half sister. Where you do this, mommy?
Now wait till you done talk. Can you now let me finish talk?
What you do this, so?
Where you feel so me go do up this one? You know no man that's for a long time. You go and listen to me and shut that blasted mouth the way you have. Me go up at your sister yard. You know why? Because me look about one program. You know if I'm working?
Yes.
Me get you. and I'm going to go overseas. I mean, I have nobody else you stay with more than your sister, where they have attitude about you not to reach a girl you date.
Mommy, me no want to go up there, so.
Why? Are your sister?
After me not used to her.
You know, you sore, but you better, are your blood sister, what she gonna do with you? She gonna name you?
Me no want to stay with her. Mommy, me can't stay by myself. I'm a big girl.
Hello, you're 60. Look here. You see, like how me did calm and they talk to you, make mistake, you know, say me head sick already. Me is your mother, you must know me. Listen to me carefully. Me go for your sister yard, go ask her if she can keep you. And only she alone me having in my brain, they say, capable enough for you go stay with her. Why you want me leave you with stranger upon your own? You're just 16 and me you want police lock up?
But mommy, what me I go do wrong?
What you mean where you go do wrong? Anyway, we not arguing, you know. I mean, I like where you have too much attitude. Look when you go your sister yard and go ring with her. Don't do it. Me need you to stay with your sister until me come back. Me get through with the program. So me go overseas, go work. As soon as me start get paid, me go send some money come give her for she give you out there. And nobody can trace her off say, I'm a mother money and this and that and you want the whole life. Because I know you little bit enough. She responsible for the money. She going to give you the money where you fit go to school with. And one little pocket change, but she supposed to take the rest and buy food for she eat too. And you is your sister. Yeah, look for me like I say, yeah,
but what if she take the money for herself?
Where you watch that for? Me not even go on yet. I mean, not send no money come give girl. I say, you eat your sister. What is wrong with you? You know, same father. The only difference, Unu is different mother, and that have nothing to do with it.
No, my spirit just not take her.
How will she do you so? So what you want me do? Me don't go up there already, and me don't tell her say, me I go make you come stay with her. What you want me do? Call her upon phone or go back up there, go tell her say, you don't want to stay with her because you don't like her? Give me one good reason why you don't like her. What she do to you?
Me not know. My spirit just don't like her. My spirit just don't like her.
If you know you're going to cemetery, go dig up your pag grave and tell him, say, you want to stay with him, you don't want to stay with your sister where you like.
So, me can't stay with
who?
auntie or uncle or something.
Auntie wish, uncle and wish. Oh, you think me a idiot? Me not run no joke with no uncle and no little girl where a 16-year-old like you. Me not trust nobody where you come on to them kind of sitting here. Me they go so far and me not come back for now. You better me live with one woman than man. What is wrong with you?
But mommy, like I say now, I want me stay with no man. What if she have man? I come my house and then left me with the man and go about for your business. You give that a second thought?
What a way you sit down and really think. You really sit down and imagine and I wonder if she live with one man and she left the man with... Listen. Left the man with you? Are you with the man? I do not care. Listen, don't talk about that. You're 16 years old. You're absent. You're a big girl and she's your elderly sister. And if she even leave her man or maybe her husband or baby father, whatever it may be with you. What about that? You live with her. And she an adult. So whether she have man or not, you fi know how to conduct yourself and know what right from wrong.
But mommy, like how you say me have sense, why me can have little sense and stay by myself and can go to school?
Me need that sense you know, it not exist right now.
What make you say so?
The sense for you turn alone, yes so. When me gone over wo. We over water. How much is specific ocean and this and that me a pass. Me no know what going there, so you better me leave you with somebody who more responsible. Cause you not responsible enough. Cause you act like
But you can't trust me.
Why should I trust you? And see there, me no like that kind of conversation where me have because every time you're making neighbor them hear like I say, you is the mother, me is the daughter, and like I say, when we are talk about something I quarrel, we are quarrel. Why we have to talk like this? Every time this happen, why we have to talk like this? Like me a cuss for something. You see, if you wasn't my daughter, I would have tell her something. Me I learn to keep the zip on my mouth and understand say you is a child. Me not argue with you. Me is not size. You are going to stay with your sister until me come back.
Alright, mommy, I'm going to stay with her.
Me call her no dear ask her if you disbehave or you're rude or you left out of the yard without her permission or without... What you shake up yourself so far? You have to remember, so she bigger than you, you have to listen what she say. Make sure say you have manners to her and go over there go disrespect a girl. She used to live with me and me used to take care of her. And I know, even though you and her not close, I know she not hate you. I just you with your attitude and I go on with yourself.
I no attitude.
I no attitude. How I be? Get up. Go and go tidy up your room. They say start wearing them little piece of short up shorts. They're going like you're a big woman. I go and burn up the whole of them.
Babes,
Wow, why you look so stressed? Mwah.
tired, man.
Where you go?
I know, say, babes, to tell you the truth, I don't know, go start at PICKNEY.
Oh, but I friend to nigga start out?
Mm-hmm.
What am I say?
But I don't like how you be yourself. But it might take too long with it, brother. So I can come and look rest off.
Oh, well, maybe you want to talk to you about something.
What that now? Not like when you say something, you can let me just.
I don't know about it.
What that now?
So like my stepmother, she started one work overseas and she get through.
Zine.
So you know, my little sister live with her.
Your little sister?
Mm-hmm. So she have say she want me to keep her while she go work.
So your little sister how much?
She has 16.
Because I don't know, CD business going into something that someone really want. The underage your sister, but she can't come stay so because then her sister already. And as the mother go on a couple thing, work program foreign, at least you help out her because you used to tell me say the woman is a good to you when you're younger.
Mm-hmm.
So at least you can show about the favor there, see it.
Yeah, but my thing is, you know, we never close, as you know. I barely see her. A long time I don't see her.
So it kind of stay one way. I understand.
Right, and Miss Joyce tell me say she kind of bad. Like not really, but like she had some little things.
Mm-hmm.
I'm kind of concerned though, cause you know I don't want a problem.
So, in a case like that, I have a big sister, you know. I have to talk to her. So when she come, it's done with her and talk to her, isn't it? And make sure try to understand your rules and regulation of this place. Because we don't want to deal with her. We don't want to talk to her about nothing. So if me have to talk to her about it, she never can stay.
Alright, well, as long as we're on the same page, so I'm gonna call back Miss Joyce and make sure you know say it's fine then.
Alright.
Put all of your stuff them where you need.
Yes, mommy.
Alright. You put all your uniform them in there, everything, your socks, shoes, everything.
Everything put in there.
Book, bag, everything.
Everything.
Okay. Alright, so you know so me go carry over there right now. You understand? And don't worry yourself. You know me love you already, you know my daughter. You know so me love you, man. Nobody set up your face and go on so. You see this one me I do? I feel both you and me, especially you. You're young. You cannot help yourself. And me get an opportunity now when me need to go make we live a better life for the future. You understand? So don't worry yourself, man. And nobody fret. And please me I beg you. Yes, when you go over your sister, me I beg you. Have manners to her. Please me I beg you. Nobody rude. You hear me?
So, mommy, why me can't come at airport with you tomorrow?
You not tell no lie. You see the time when me I go? You cannot come. I wish I did one later time me have to go. You see airport, when you go overseas, you have to be there 1 hour before check-in time. And then not even that, the bus I go come to we a Ministry of Labour 5 to 5:30. You remember say you go to school. You go want sleep then time then. I wish you could have come but you cannot come.
So, we can't skip school just for tomorrow? I'll come with you.
You not get it. You not get it. Listen to me. I wish you could have come. It's too early to wake up. You figure all the way to Kingston. What time you have to reach back yourself to go get ready for go to school? Sure man, no answer. You know some love you already. Hug me up. Hug up your mommy. We're ready to go around then. Don't worry yourself. Stop mix up your face. Come.
Now, babes, look like person the pedicure did good note.
Them
Feel
stuff.
smooth and nice. Morning.
Evelyn.
Evening.
Good evening, good day, everyone. Hi. Shania, bring your sister come to stay with you because me get one urgent phone call about an hour ago. Say tomorrow morning, early tomorrow morning, me have to go there down at the Ministry of Labour office.
But no problem, but I truly really did not expect it tomorrow, but it's fine.
Cause them a go I think the bus a come about 5:30 and them a go left out to go to airport. So me bring her come, she stay with you. Me already done discuss this already.
Joel, if I carry the bag for me. You can come, Anika. Just show our room same time, Joel. Wish me luck.
Shania, please me I beg you. Give a keen eye on her for me, please. Please me I beg you. Me know you will take care of her. Me have to go leave early as me tell you. Because the bus a come early, about 5:30. I want to make sure so me go home now and take care of everything and finish sort out and pack up my suitcase and everything. And thank you for make she come stay with you. Thank you very much.
So all our school something them come down.
Everything come down.
Alright.
So anyway, me I run you now. Thank you very much for take care of her for me good. You hear?
Yeah.
Because I know you will take care of her now. So thank you very much again for make she come stay with you. Me have to go later.
Yeah, I hope you have a safe flight
Thanks.
too.
Yes, thanks. All right.
Morning again.
Morning.
I'm not sure how much money Miss Joyce used to give you, but this one have. Hopefully that can work.
This isn't enough.
Well, based on your age group, you might need one next $1,000. So, but until Miss Joyce starts saving money, we don't have no more. So you just have to go make it work. Before you leave, I also want to talk to you about something, right? No, I don't know how things used to go back home. But here, I'm trying my best to be as responsible as I can for you as a teenager. I know you want to have your own way. You might have a little boyfriend or whatever. But try to be as respectful as you can to me, right? As it relates to the house, you don't have to do much. Just clean up after yourself. Wash your clothes when it's needed. Just them look at something there. And please, please, please come home early. You can do that for me? You sure?
Yeah, man.
And you're gonna behave yourself at school. Not sculling class, not disrespecting teacher. Nothing like that.
Not like that.
Also, there will be days where you might come home, I'm not there. Either me I work late or me have errands to run. So you might to Joel. But Joel will like cook for you. And he will help you out around the house. Alright? So we're good.
Good, we're good.
Okay then. Hope you have a good day.
You too.
And thank you. You're welcome.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Wow.
Nothing.
Alright.
Yeah.
So what's school today?
Can go on.
Let's check if you're alright still.
Oh, thanks.
What me really want to ask you though? Oh yeah, get along with the place. You enjoy yourself and such?
No, we.
You sure?
No.
Listen man, no bother food for nothing for nothing at all. Is there anything I want? They can ask for feet here.
Okay.
Then one about a fruit one. So we have to take care of it.
Take care of me.
Yeah man.
So Anika, you just come from school?
No, I'm come from so long time.
So why you still in a uniform?
Because me nearly to take off it.
So how long you talk to me?
But how long me talk? Alright, cool.
Miss Joyce never teach you how to sit down like a lady.
What wrong with how
Why
sit
you
down?
put up yourself? What going with this thing? Because the one thing when me ask if you do a clean up after yourself, why dirty plate over there yourself?
Me did not wash up anyway.
I lost them. Make a tell if you tone down when you talk to me, you know. Because when I argue, we argue. Me not understand why you not clean up after yourself. Why you come from school how much hours ago you sit down in your uniform? You don't know where the bathroom there? Eh? You wash your uniform to wear back tomorrow? The uniform wash, miss?
No.
Oh, so what you gonna wear tomorrow?
Me no know, me just watch this uniform yeah. Later. I'll put it before dry.
Oh, later. So after 8 now in the night, what time the uniform are gonna dry? If you get up early in the morning and leave out to go to school.
Then I put it behind the fridge. Or something.
I see you talk to people.
I'm sorry.
Anika, listen. I understand that me and your mother and you not grow up with me. So things kinda hard for you to adjust right now. But all I need for you to be respectful. Me forgot call if I come clean up the kitchen before me can use it. That makes sense in your head? All I did have to do was wash back the dish, get yourself together for school tomorrow, and do what you need to do. That's hard?
No.
Listen, I'm not gonna go back and forth with you with that attitude thing here. Go and go wash your uniform and get yourself ready for school tomorrow.
Please, can I say something to you?
Yes, Joe.
You know, I said, honestly, I don't think you're supposed to talk to her like that. You have to remember, say, I look up at you know.
Talk to her, oh.
The way you talk to her a while ago, you talk to her a while ago, but I don't really like it. I think you need to take a little time with her.
Yeah, but oh me that talk to her.
Yeah, you want that boy plate. I want just one plate that in the man. One plate that I don't know.
Yeah, listen to yourself.
What do you mean if I listen to myself, baby?
Because the only thing I said to her was to clean up after yourself and wash your uniform. So when I say wrong,
Yeah, but you said that, but me I say like the tone of voice I don't like. You get me? I say tone of voice I don't like. That's how I come out, you know. I hear the argument and I come outside.
alright, maybe my tone the off. But Joel, I was time I come home.
Probably about half hour or 2 hours.
And you come home long enough. Because you said the things we needed to get done, never done. And as an adult in the space at the time, you never feel the need to tell Anika to take off her uniform and wash it and clean up the kitchen.
Babe, listen to me I say. I'm gonna listen to me say to you good. And don't get it wrong. Remember say she probably have a hectic day at school today and things. So I just say a girl could time for just rest off her and so. But it's something that to come home and see what happen. But they plan for say it to her still, but even though men are father, nor nothing but You get me I say? Or your sister, I don't really want to talk to her no way neither. She take it offensive or no way.
Joe, but I can't look on things like that. When me not there, you're the adult in a space, and if nothing go wrong with you, go get blame. You know that, not true?
Yeah, but are you ready to talk to her about anything at all?
Yeah, but me I talk to her, you find problem with it.
Me not be, yeah, get this wrong. I'm probably find out how you talk to her.
Well, me never see nothing wrong with my son because you know, say, you which house you going and say nobody pack up foot pan couch. You know, say that not allowed in here. You not tell her, say, if you take her foot off her couch. You not tell her to wash the dishes. You not say nothing to her. But me come and talk to her. You know, see, she give me attitude. You know, see that part there. But you see, when me I talk to her about the right things. All right, Joe.
Alright, babes. Next time we'll just talk to her. Yeah, I say? We'll just
That
talk to her
sounds
next time.
more like it. Because all I really want, I feel we're up on the same page with this. Because I understand, say, this new to her and it gonna take time for she adjust. But me cannot talk to her and you will say otherwise.
Alright, we'll talk to her next time if we come for you.
Thank you.
Alright. Anika,
Hi.
you know, so my iPhone 17. Can I use my own internet one?
So why lang with my phone? Oh, you want to snap it for your phone instead?
Well, look nice now.
Thanks. Me look nice. I'm there feel like me look like a trash.
Look nice for too long.
So what brings you in my room?
Don't worry about that, man. I just check my country and see if you're alright, is it?
But my sister.
Stop with my sister when I say I got parents and do something. She not come back now.
Okay.
What more after that? She not have a boyfriend?
No.
So what's a nice girl like you know and a boyfriend? Can't be a boyfriend no one. What do you think?
No. No, you're my sister there.
No, man. You know, she got a roommate for no man, you know. But then get out of place. Can I just take you in, you know?
Take me in.
Of course. You look at nice, hang
I can't do this. I can't do it.
Hey, man, what more ask something? How much money sister give a girl school at that time?
15, sometime 2000. And you know enough. One like 5 grand for that school.
Or yourself, man. You can't give more than that money. You're nice and look good.
Really?
I'm tell man.
Okay.
Yeah, alright. Sure. Remember what I'm saying, look? No, I want to Shania, you know. Make this big for me, look a secret here. Hello, babes. Babe?
Joel,
Yes?
explain to me why the front door locked.
What do you mean? The front door lock, baby? Me I come me I come me I come me right now. Me I come me right now. Babes, so
Joel. This door you never lock yet, so why the front door lock?
that man I true. Remember you have a madman per road that working at people place, and that's why I'm just locking them from work.
Oh, so you're afraid now?
I'm not afraid, babes.
What Annieka do?
In our room. But me not my room watch TV a while ago.
Oh, wanna cook?
You know?
So we eat.
But we have come from me, I can't KFC for me.
No, you never call me and tell me nothing. Good night.
Good night.
What?
Mm-mm.
Okay, good. So why you look so shake up? You alright?
Yeah, man, me alright.
No, you eat already. Me not like you look. You sure say alright?
Yeah, me alright.
Alright. I'm going in a room if you need anything.
So why you have the door lock?
What you mean why me have my door locked?
At my place, the door not supposed to lock.
What you mean at your place? This is my room though.
Remember me, I'm me a pay bills to that place. Anyway, listen to me I say. You know me come boat early, you know. Your sister not there, you know, so I can't go on.
What you mean we can't go on? Shania, my sister.
That not have nothing to do with it. Nothing at all.
Me can't continue doing this. We can't continue doing this.
Well, alright, you me I say. You see if I can't continue this, you see if 500 I get, it I go cut. And moreover, this a place and my place. See? And if you can't do it, you'll come out. I'm sure you know I'm go on the roadside go live. I'm sure you know I'm tell your sister about this. So it's either one out or two.
A blackmail me because me no want to do this no more.
Me never tell nothing about no blackmail. No.
That's exactly what you're doing.
So me I say, and the last thing me I say to you, is either that or you go.
But why you want to do this?
Listen, get to the point. You gonna work with it or not? You want to live on the roadside or you want to work with it?
Fine.
Thank you very much.
You know, so I don't really understand Mr. Burger homework though. It kind of confuse me.
You know, so I don't understand it either. Because whole time in class yesterday, I try to understand it. But you know what? I'm not going to school tomorrow and ask Mr. Burger to help me with it because I don't understand it either.
Man, it just a bust me head so.
Same.
How are you really going to?
What do you mean we're going here, so?
Come go in the yard.
Anika,
Go in the yard. Go in. I'm not tough fuck. Listen to me I say. Who that?
What do you mean who that? I'm a friend.
But not with him?
No, after me and the guy no day.
No, we are doing a man. One thing I tell you, you know. You're trying to make this up again. You hear me tell you?
But I'm a friend.
You hear me say to you a while ago? Make it be the last time. We see this. Come with some response for you. Go in the yard. Anika, where are you, sir?
May I something to tell you?
I couldn't want that now. Or upon talk, I'm not about to see me talk. It's too long, you know.
Listen to me, don't hurt me. I'm pregnant.
What do you mean by you're pregnant?
I'm pregnant.
So, why you know you're pregnant?
Because I take one test.
So, where did you test?
Me dash away.
Listen to me, I say. I have to find a way for the this, you know. So I'm thinking the best idea is I have to dash it to it.
Dash away? Me not dash away it. Suppose I dash away PICKNEY something happen to me.
Don't know what to you, man.
No, me not risk that.
Alright, listen to me, I say. I must find a way for you with this.
How?
How are yourself, man? Just keep it on a low. I'll find out for you with it, right?
Me tell you, me ask you if you have protection and you tell me no. And look what you lead to now.
You don't like you with protection, no? You don't like, but listen to me, I say to you. And listen, I say to you good. Listen, I say to you good and cleanly. I say, no go home. I go home right now. I want to go home. I beg you, please, no send it to Shan. I find a solution for deal with this. You hear me, I say to you?
Alright. Just find a solution coming and throw it away.
Miss Gigi, evening.
Evening.
Well, look like I go up on the road though.
Mm-hmm.
Come talk to you about something, you know.
Long time I don't see you.
And I know, say, Miss Joyce gone a foreign. I left her daughter with my woman to her sister. I want to say, little girl bad, full of money. And right now, sister finds a child pregnant. And she even know who breed her.
How old she be?
16. But why do something for me though?
She reached 16? Or she's soon 16?
She's 16, man. What you might do for me though? Even if you're going to do it still, but I just ask you. Because I see your son and her couple times. Would you mind your son could take your belly and say him on it?
You're really serious?
Because
You're
I remember say,
really serious?
it's remember say,
I come to me with them the argument there.
I just want to take shame out of where I am, man. Do me, I beg you. Me compensate you and your son.
You listen to yourself, good. Eh? You really think about what you ask me, or just ask me because you feel like say you can't ask me something. Eh?
I just think it'll look appropriate that way for two young people. Because as I tell you, she don't know who breed her. I want to take shame out of me, I tell her.
She must know who breed her. Then I say little girl bad.
He's bad, man. He's bad.
He must know who breed her. But anyways, it's because you're a mother and my goddaughter. So I really stand up here really a hold one conversation with you, you know. When you come on to them the picnic game foolishness, them me no get myself involved in a day sitting there, you know.
I understand, man. I understand.
Especially my son. You want to ruin my son's reputation? Remember, so my son just turned 16, you know. Just turned 16 last month. He just turned 16.
You
And
know,
him still a go to school.
Me just want
So you want people, because my boy Pitney, you feel, what you feel? You want people to have your name out in the street, same breed, girl.
No, I just want him to take it, man. You know, for money, you know. I just want him to take it because I want him to come out of where.
Then the whole world now go hear saw him get somebody pregnant.
Do me ask, just help you out, please.
I don't know about that one day, but when my son come, me go talk to him and hear what him have to say. But I don't know about that. I don't promise you nothing. Hey! Lord have mercy. Hey! And then I sit here call man bangarang. When me little boy come, me and him go have a conversation. Here?
Do me
Not
please.
do me. Please, don't do me. Here?
Alright, Miss Gigi.
So you don't know who breed him?
We don't know. She said she don't know. Her sister Anika and said she don't know.
So you not talk to her and ask her. You're not trying to find out for yourself. You're a man. Stand up as a man and act like a man. You're a mother, my goddaughter. You feel like me go say yes. No. Me don't know if you say yes to that one, but anyway, as me say, when my son come, me we talk to my son. Because you say my son and her a good friend.
Good friend.
Okay, when he come, me talk. Me talk to him, you have to come back and come check me.
Yeah, man, I can check it tomorrow.
Alright.
Alright, Miss Gigi, yeah?
They want good. Lord have mercy. I could have cast this an idea.
Acha, evening, mommy, alright?
You want me?
Nothing there, man.
Help me with that bag. Go, put on the bag and come here. Me have stories to clear.
Alright. Give me.
Hey, I no laughing matter still no Devian. Oh, go on.
No, good.
How was school today?
It's good, man. Just come in.
You know Miss Joyce daughter.
As a Anika, yeah, man, I know Anika. I'm to Anika.
You're not her friend.
Yeah.
So me here.
Yeah.
Joel, come here today. You know your stepfather?
Yeah,
I know
man.
your stepfather. I know your stepfather. I know your stepfather. I think I'm brother-in-law.
That's our sister boyfriend.
Yes.
Joel. Yeah, me know Joel.
Well, Joel, come here to me with one little mix-up saga.
Wow.
You know, say Anika pregnant.
What?
You aware of that?
Pregnant? I tell.
Me not run this. I don't lie me I tell. And I no joke me I run. Cause me no run serious joke.
You sure I right thing here?
He come here to me. And if you ever know when come here to me about say a little girl bad, me never know say little girl bad. Say little girl bad. You know you aware of that? Are your friend?
I know that. First me here.
What I know you get her pregnant you know?
Me? Now man, I'm evil to you talk, I know me.
No, me no say you know, me say hope. Hope.
Oh no, I know me.
Well,
What did I say?
well, listen what me I tell us now.
Yeah.
Here when come here come ask me say, you see? He said because if you take shame out of you and a little girl underage and a prison work, you might wonder if me could ask you if you say how you get a girl pregnant.
Ask me. So that go benefit me. How that go benefit me? How much money we talk?
You know laughable, you know my son, but you have to take some serious sit down and make joke, you know?
You know man, but how much money we talk? All 400,000 you have to chop off.
So you that do it?
If me I get money out of it, you have to benefit me, you know. Right now, I want a new shoes. All my slippers dirty.
And that me ask you.
Yeah, man, me a deep man, but the money have to involve all 400,000 you have to let off. And every month me a charge him for two.
Yeah, really, my son, but think about it. Think about what you say. You hear me I tell you?
Yeah.
Think about what you say. Or think about it. I serious it nothing. Because number one, when you go back to school and people here say you breed Anika or you get her pregnant, because you know say Jamaican love say breed. You understand what I mean?
Yeah.
So think about it. So what you say? I must tell him because I come back and check me. You know?
So you say, you know, yeah, you don't tell her who breed him, that who get her pregnant, I mean.
No?
I'm pinch and tell her. You know, so, remember say me in the street, you know. You know, so me think say, Joel at her sister, man. The same boy come to you today, him do it.
So why you say something like that?
Alright, you know, like how me and Anika normally walk from school and me normally carry around our yard, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we are walking, you know, and we see Joel turn up by gate. So we are walking now. He start going in most way. You see, you know, like when goat now I move, I say him drag me, drag on, me afraid go because me the face oh, and wife that. You frightened. You know some things that him did though.
Like seriously?
Yes, mommy. You see, Anika is a girl. She might hardly come to school. She never really come to school now. But me never see her with a man. And I think that him do it.
Lord have mercy.
So if me fit go take up the responsibility, money have to go run like water, you know.
Yeah, really, my son, but guess what? You see them the bang around the Nina make you get yourself involved with that. Independent one with that. Hear me I tell you?
Aye.
Independent one. You come on with me, I go in the house. Them alright.
Anika, this have 2 red lines on it, which means positive. Now we are the 2 females in here. So, I have no reason to take one pregnancy test. So this is pointing to you. So I want you to explain to me why you felt the need for take one pregnancy test.
So how you know that I'm mine?
See, now I already explained that to you. Now. We are the only females in here. And if this was mine, I would not be sitting here. You understand? So what's going on?
That's not mine.
So you go looking at my face and lie to me.
But it's not mine. I could ask you put it there and I go and ask me for mine, and not mine.
So we're not about to do this. May I talk to you? You don't understand what's going on with yourself. Is it that you don't understand the severity of the situation and you don't care? Which one is it? Anika, these are very, very hard times. You understand? Baby comes with a lot of responsibilities. Now you take up yourself as a 16-year-old and get pregnant, and they in front of me act stupid. Act responsible. This is a lot of responsibility, you know. Now you need to talk to me so we can figure out what we need to figure out before it's too late. What happened?
Okay, fine. It is mine. But me no know who.
You don't know who what?
You know who?
You don't know who get pregnant? You don't know who get pregnant? So what you want me to tell your mother say?
Please don't tell her.
Me have to tell your mother that. Listen, you gotta trace back your steps in it because we have to figure this out together. This I gotta reflect bad upon me. And I have to tell your mother because she can't hear it from somebody else and you not have one abortion.
Shan, please, I can't tell her.
Remind me your age again.
16.
And what that mean? What does that mean?
No.
It means you're underage.
But reach the age of consent.
Who for who you live under? Who responsible for you?
You.
Good. So I have to tell your mother, no, you need to help me help you. What go on with the Anika? You know, see hard work with your mother put in. The woman go as far as to go overseas. I think she glad to leave you and go away. And you should do this for now. All our hard work I go down in jail. Because you decide to take up bigger manship on your head. Now how that look? You like that? Who can help you take care of the baby if you don't know the daddy?
I don't know.
Anika, me need to think about your actions. Think about your actions. Act like you have sense. Because you're not even smart. You left the test so you can find it. To show you how stupid it is. You're dumb. If you know the anger where you build up in me. You frustrate me, little girl. You don't understand. You see, if you know me, I gotta seize this. Because you're not a bigger man, you know. So you see, until you can tell me what going on with you, me I seize this. And the door left open. And I mean that.
But I only come from me have.
You should have think about that before you do what you do. Me I go seize this and the door go left open. And yes, if you know, me no want to hear you and me no want to see you. You go sit down in here and you go think about your actions. You understand? And yes, by me come back and talk to you, Anika, you need to give me names. Because we need to figure this out. Yeah, hear me?
Yes.
Think me I play with it, yeah? Just think me I play with it. That's for that. Joel.
Why looks on a baby?
I'm stressed out.
I probably know.
Me know we always take up for Annieka, but no, it's not the time. So whatever me I go tell you, me need to understand where me I say and where me I come from.
What I'm Anika now?
Me then I bought mom find one test. And me asked her about it and she admitted to it. So she's pregnant.
Hold on. She do what?
You not hear me?
You sure about that?
So you me see part when me say me find the test and it's a positive.
Yeah, but no one for sure. Me no know for sure if you're sure about it. I get nothing because that not sound right.
What you mean?
How she pregnant?
No other question. They me ask too. And then this girl go and tell me so she don't know who get her pregnant. When me supposed to tell Miss Joyce say?
But you're not have to tell her still.
What?
You don't have to tell her it. That's all have to come on.
Until when? What off until when?
We try to figure it out, man.
Listen to me, Joel. I'm my sister and she underage. And if me sit down with this and her mother hear it from other source, what gonna happen?
So why I get to load for me?
Because you tell me say me not have to tell her mother now. When
You don't have to tell her mother now, you just wait.
Wait until
wait and see.
Wait until what if Miss Joyce want her for have an abortion and me sit down with it and it's too late?
Listen, I'm gonna listen to me good. Because I don't know why I get load for me like you think I'm a breeder. I'm a breeder, man. But I could try to figure out this. Zin, you see last time, but probably a couple of days ago, you know, so I see her with one boy walking. And what lady name again? Miss Gigi. You know Miss Gigi son?
Mm-hmm.
You see that walk with the last time, I want to find breeder her. Because since she don't know, we have to try to figure out this, you know.
Joel, you pick up your Anika till you all keep things from me because me just I know this.
We just never dare take it serious like that. We never dare look on it serious, but no, you said you're pregnant. We have to find what we do.
Based on how the little girl stay, Joel, me should have known this. You should have tell me all of this long time because maybe we could have prevent this. Who knows? Every day you get up in our house and pick up for your little girl. Like, you know you're with all information from me. Me don't understand you. Me don't understand you. Because Anika is 16. You pass her upon where you do that money. You don't feel like you tell me. Me I go down and Miss Gigi go talk to her son because if she can't name nobody, me, what you look for Mr. For?
Nobody going to people like that, accuse the people, you know.
Joel, me not going to accuse nobody. Me just need to talk to her.
Babes, just listen to me I say. Nobody go down Mr. Jihad. See? Just go on home. Listen to me, baby. Just go on home and just relax. And listen to me I say too. Nobody tell nobody else, you know. When I come home, we just have to put on this padder. And so when we come home, we talk about this. Alright, we'll finish that about this. Alright, baby?
Yeah, tell me say me not for go down and Miss Gigi yard. Yeah, you know, so this, what you tell me make the situation 10 times worse, right?
We could just figure it out by ourselves first, baby. That's all we have to do, you know.
Alright, Joel. Alright.
We just have finish fit up the car and then come down here.
Good evening, Miss Gigi. We don't want them to talk to you about something. We can come up.
Come, but I want something here, me there watch one live.
Yeah.
But come anyways. Yeah, watching live with a missing boy. And so many things are going on in the country, you know, but it's serious, bad. Serious something happen.
You know me like a sister, love.
Something happened to her?
Oh no, nothing like that. So your son Davian, him not there.
When you come and just inquire about my son and not tell me if I know your little sister, what's going on?
Because me get some news recently and me find out say your son and her they close, so me that ask if you know if them they in and start a relationship or not like that.
No girl. Don't mix up my son.
Me not come from bad vibes in
Here, me not yes when you come on to my son. And you come on to man bangarang. My son not involved in a man bangarang, you know. So if you come to me with something, come to me straight and come clear. Me no want you beat through no bush and ask me no question when me no kinda no understand why you try to ask me say. So if you ask me something, come good.
Alright, my little sister.
If you come to tell me something, talk loud, make me hear and clear.
So my little sister take one test and I find out that she pregnant. And me hear from somebody say your son and she upon the road quite a few times. So me da wonder if then they involved in a type of way because more than one if I him get her pregnant.
So because you hear say my son and your sister they on the road quite a few times, that mean my son get your sister pregnant.
No, that's why me ask because she said she don't know
Girl,
who.
I tell you the truth. So she said she don't know who.
Yes.
Why me not like mix up? Me not like mix up. Me hear say she pregnant for 3 girl. But me never hear my son name call. To tell you the truth.
Miss Gigi, but me think me alone know this. Oh, you know that.
He out in the street. You see sometime when some bad things are happening in your house, the whole world know you're the last person left to know. Some meeting you did know. So when you tell me now, say just a no. God have mercy, God. They have one little sense and every day what, and the same day water go away. Leaf go water bottom me rotten. So me did know. Cause Francina get rid of the belly. I come and you go know. But anyways, long story short, I'm not beat around no bush. I hear me hearing here say Kiangala. So me I go tell her when me hear out in the street. Go back and ask her sister, you hear? And take her and talk to her good, cause she know who brother is not the son. Me can put me head pan the block and chop it off. I know my son.
Miss Gigi, I know you say you're in a mix up or whatever, but it's all like you know who or you know what go on.
Me know who?
Yeah, because you can't swear for your son. You can't take your son outside completely. So obviously you hear something.
Remember me tell you say I hear, me hear, and then say hear say Kianga la. So hearing and knowing are two different something. So your sister know who breed her. She know. Me no know.
So Miss
I
Gigi,
hear me hear.
as a big man, yeah, so me don't know what go on in my house or whatever. You don't feel like it's fair for you to tell me. Enlighten me, cause me talk to
Girl,
me,
nothing in this life, yeah, in this world, no fear. You never know. So listen, as you rightfully say me a big woman. And if me hear something, if I tell you. But sometimes you see, in our Bible state say, he that keepeth his mouth, keepeth his life. And then everything good for it, good for talk. So me no know if me fi tell you, know. But me think say you fi go on back go ask your sister or go find out from your neighbor.
Come on, Miss Gigi, man. Cause this now me can't wrap my head around what you tell me say. All of them parables here don't make no sense.
Me hear say, are your man, are your yard. Read your little sister. That me hear.
Miss Gigi, that not even make no sense.
Make it digest. But it no make no sense. That's how no stay. That's why I should not tell you nothing. You gotta tell me say it no make no sense.
Yeah, but
how you
how that
mean say it no make no sense? How? But it makes sense so you walk all the way from way. Come here if you come ask me if I feel for my son breed for your sister. And when your man will live in a house with you. You see? That no make sense. That no more make sense more. Girl.
Miss Gigi, me never see a lie telling you.
But how you mean say no make no
because
sense?
me and the man live in a house together. How come me never seen a foul play or nothing like that? Me understand my sister bad, but she and my man, me can't wrap me head around that.
It's hard for you when foul play now. You're more for when dog and puss and goat play.
Alright, Miss Gigi, me can't take it parables them.
When Jesus Christ
no,
walk on earth, I play a parable in talking people, you know. You're lucky.
Anika, I need to talk to you.
What you want to talk to me about now?
So Miss Gigi's son Davian, Anna him get her pregnant.
No.
Are you sure?
Me sure of that.
Me like how you say sure. So like you're positive saying that Davian get her pregnant, me want you tell me what you and Joel in her.
What me and Joel in a? Me and Joel in nothing.
Anika, I want you to understand how much anger build up in me. You need to tell me the truth, you know, because they say if you never did that, my sister, I would come in here and sit down and talk to you calm, you know. Where you and Joel in her?
We not in a nothing.
So Anna Joel get you pregnant?
No.
Why you feel the need to keep on a lie to me?
Shan, me not lie to you, you know.
See, you're looking at me eye and tell me you not lie to me? Listen to me. If Joel get you pregnant, you is not the one at fault. You understand what I say? Because at the end of the day, you're underage. Him for know better. So you need to tell me the truth so we can get this right, because me need something to tell your mother. This in the street, you know. So sooner or later she go hear and she need to hear it from either me or you, not people. So tell me what go on.
Shan, a Joel. Okay? A Joel.
Seriously, Anika? You... Okay, you don't know what devil tell me for the tell. You mean for tell me say we live under the same roof. How long? And you sleep with my man? You don't feel a little guilt or nothing? You say anything we go walk me out and say make sure it makes sense. Cause Anika, the devil I tell me for this something.
Because him a talk to me and I tell me about how him love me and I smell good and I look good and he must give me all them sweet words here and I just stay for feet. I'm really sorry. My name me if you come to this.
So now that you come to this, what happened?
Honestly, me don't know.
Because your future gone down in jail now, you know. While him, I go walk free. And your body I go mash up. And your reputation this span the line. Did you think about that? Did you think about that when you make one big man manipulate you? You're stupid, you're very stupid.
Miss JJ, good evening. So, can something like that. When we come for access still, it's something we come talk to you about last time. What do you understand? You think about if you do for me?
Nice, sir. You really have a heart. You. You
What you talk about
really
now?
have a heart. No, I should never say you have a heart. You don't have a heart. You. Me never know sir say you're terrible and wicked.
What you talk about, Miss JJ?
People like Uno, you see? See man a drown and before you help them, you push them down in a river, a deeper part of river for drown. You ask me what me a talk about. You should have know. When you hear me a go on, how me a go on, you should have know. Say me know.
No, say what? No, say what?
You see you? You come here and ask me give me one story. And I ask me one serious favor. So, you know pick up all now? Your antenna not work.
Just talk to me straight, because I can't take you all up a part.
But you not talk to me straight. Because you're a liar.
Oh,
You
my Lord,
a
Miss JJ.
liar. You come like say you're a father of all wrongs. And you are the father of liar. They never come to me straight. You come to me with your lying tongue and want me now to mix up for me good pitney where me have a grow in a fear bangarang. Man bangarang.
I don't know mix up. When I come to you, the truth I come to you with. Some don't understand where you come with now.
So where you come back to me about? Since as you did come to me with the truth and maybe lie a surface now, where you come to me about now?
I just find out if you make up your mind for do it.
Make up my mind for do.
For make a son take your belly.
You know say? I call me for call the police man you.
For now, Miss JJ.
I call me for call police man you. You is a wicked piece of man. You. Since as I say me a beat round bush, you see? Let me come to you straight. You come to me other day with one lied story and tell me about how a little girl at your yard. Which is your what? Yeah, how you and she related again?
I'm not related, I'm a woman's sister.
That simply means say your sister-in-law. So anyway you take, if you turn it on the right side, the wrong side, when you related, are your sister-in-law. And you tell me say, how the little girl bad and a flinging body here, there, and everywhere, all over the place. And so you tell me, you know.
What an alarm I tell you?
You're liar. So till you want to tell, get my PICKNEY involved in your nastiness. And me have one little sympathetic heart and feel like I'm sorry for your situation and not beg me to take shame out of uno yai. But you out of the self and want me to tell me son to go one belly when him already have feel one a belly. You see? And for yourself where you put in the girl belly. You see you's a wicked man and you do it. Me you say you breed the girl.
So where you get the information from Mr.
It's all over the place, if it, in case I never know.
So you believe what people are saying more than what me come to you?
I not trust you. You're wicked. A police never call. You're wicked. I saw uno man wicked, and you know, you think about what you really do?
Me not overthink about
the only reason I'm there is to talk to you because I say your mother is my goddaughter. You think where? You're wicked.
Listen, Mr. G. What me I say to you, I have to think about because I don't know me do it. You get me I say because as I tell you, I see your son and her plenty of time.
And the worst part of it right now, you don't have no shame. They say shame a load. Then when they say shame a load and the pop neck, you don't have no damn shame. Imagine say you're there with the two sister. A girl trust you to have in little sister and then you care when time she gone to work and you did abuse a little PICKNEY and take disadvantage.
Which way take fear as that?
You know, if you know what good for you, come out of my yard. Come out of my yard.
I go come out, you know.
Take your careless self and take for yourself out of my yard. You see, if I did me a for you woman, you see, I keep a party for you and funeral after. Come out of my yard.
I just want to say to you.
Come out of my yard.
When you be a body, I say with baby favor.
Go on where you go. You wicked. You are one wicked boy. Go on where you go.
I don't understand what going on, so one bag out the door.
Oh, so all of a sudden you don't understand what going on right here, so. All of a sudden, Joel, you don't understand what going on right here, so. Not true.
Wait, what happened? What
you can't sleep with my little sister, Joel?
Where you get that story from?
A 16-year-old? I want for you, so.
Before you go away. Me that sleep with her? Hello, little girl. Hello.
Joel, you don't need to talk to her, you know, because you see, your days of adjusting she is over. I'm done with that, Joel. Just take your things and go on. I'm going to do you a favor by packing up. So go on.
So how you put me out on my parent for this place, sir?
The both are we a parent, Joel. That's why you should have never do what you do.
Little girl, I'm going to do you.
Joel, I don't tell her everything already, so there's no need for lying.
Man, you have to lie for me, little girl.
Joel, you should have a decency to come stand up in front of my face and tell me truth. There, so I'll play a victim. Not playing a victim because I know what going on. This stinking nice street. How you feel?
Listen, me, baby. This way you do, sir? All of this a lie because a lie your sister tell for me, brother. Because me never grip your sister, you know.
Me tell
so
her
why you follow her?
Me say nothing about that to you? Eh? You jump to conclusions?
So what the matter then?
Joel, me never tell us you grip nobody. Me never said that to you. Whatever you and my sister do have going on, it have nothing to do with me anymore. Me done with you.
Babes, what you know? All of this don't make sense, you know. Because me can tell you, me can put me on the block. Say me never grip your sister, you know. And you will believe your sister over me when me there much in years. When me love so much.
No, Joel, you never grip her. Only do it willingly. Under my nose. Pretending like say nothing go on and me sit down and me relax. Not knowing what go on, it's all you know. It both of you know. Joel, me don't have time for this, you know. Me tell you, say me do you a favor by packing up your clothes and all you have to do go on. And the longer you stay at sister, the more you tempt me for call police for you.
Babes, call police over. Babes, all of this a call for
Don't touch me, Joel. Don't touch me. You're too bright and out order. You're too bright. You should have never sleep with my little sister. If you want a woman, why you never go road? Eh?
You know what? I'll take things on the right? And I'll order money to want to stuff and everything.
Not yet.
Alright.
When? Miss, you know. Me I talk to you, Anika. And then the time for that attitude. More you learn from this, you know. Because if this not teach you a lesson, I don't know what will. Me go call Miss Joyce and you're gonna lay out everything. Do you understand?
Hello?
Miss Joyce,
Yes, hello.
what go on?
When day man, you know, so me dey on the work.
So you can't talk?
Yeah, man. Me can't go in the bathroom go talk to you. My supervisor dey right there, so but me I go run the corner and go talk to you.
Alright.
Alright, what you say now?
I wish me that call you under better circumstances, but unfortunately, you see PICKNEY where you left your Miss Joyce is a handful. She not listen. She not have no ears. The little girl get talking, so tell.
I want to know.
Yeah, I got to tell her, me I gotta give her the phone and she's going to tell you.
What they so they expel her from school?
Hey, worse than that. Talk to your mother. Talk to your mother.
Mommy,
Yes.
I have something to tell you.
You fight at school again?
No, mommy.
What do you know?
I get pregnant.
Lord of Jesus, what you just say to me? Little girl, I'm a blood pressure you want to rise. I must joke on I make. And money you don't want me to send come out there for free? You want me to send more money than when me they send already and me have to see if you come back and build me house, little girl. Tell me if I your sister tell me like say you're pregnant, you don't want more money than the money when me they send come. Little girl, Anika, listen, tell me the truth. What you just say?
Mama, said I'm pregnant.
You're breathing.
Yes, Mama.
Jesus Christ, have mercy, Father God. So hold on there, Anika. You really go to school and go get our wait, how you go? Wait, hold on there. So before me go so far, in them the details there. And who breed you? At the age of 16, so you don't want to learn nothing and come to nothing good in life. Me left you with your sister, you go make man breed you a who are they for?
Joel.
The blood of Jesus. What you say to me, girl? So you know no ambition, Jesus Christ, me afraid of you. And worst of all, you gonna breed for him? He's a wicked little girl, you know say.
How me wicked, Mommy? Me name mean fi happen this way, no?
You know mean fi happen this way. I wish way you mean fi happen. Eh? Which other way? Eh? You know no ambition, you know no shame. And your sister, gone maybe at work or wherever me don't know and trust if you left you with her man and you really go lie down in a bed you is an ambitious girl. Let me tell you something. You know what I do now? You see you now, you mash up every plan that me did have. Me I go book a flight and come down, but you won't know the day when me I come. Just look for me and not look for me. Me I go come. Me I come, you nah know the day when me I come, little girl. You know, you see I like you. You know some if you send your caps to go how you pick me your caps. Make me take care of it. Because you see how hard me have been in Jamaica and me they suffer. And me left come over here so to come make life better for me and you. Eh? And you see what you gonna do? All your sister man figure prison too. You, look here, come on for my phone, little girl.
Mommy.
Phone. Come out of my face.
This man have all one and one man.
Morning, sir. What is Joel?
What me can help you, sir?
No, sir, you may I look for.
What you say doing now?
Yeah, man. You say I trouble one little PICKNEY, you know.
We should put that top one now, sir.
Yeah, man, me get a call, man.
Come talk to me straightforward, man.
But man, me hear say you get her pregnant, you know. So yeah, what?
So me ask you a question.
I'll take you down my station.
Hold on, man. Let me ask you a question. You hear shot much?
But other than that, we come for talk about, we come for arrest your bad man so we can do it the easy or the hard way. You understand? You can't just come on with it, we go down my station. Yeah, man, so you under arrest in a bad man. See me I say?
Right, I don't know what kind of law. I don't know what kind of law.
Whether you know what you do, you talk about kind of law.
Waste for me your time.
You and the judge talk about that, man. You and the judge talk about that.
Miss Joyce, I know this is a lot for your digest, but that's why you know, say, this could have happened to anybody. I understand, and as you know, Joel, they're jail, so that deal with already. And just take it easy for now, although she wrong.
Shania, I feel so ashamed of my 16-year-old daughter come there with your man. You don't understand what I'm going through my brain right now. If you know say my daughter, she not done school yet and she get pregnant. Me can't take it easy like how you say me if you take it easy. I'm sorry for what happened. Me sorry what happened between she and your man. Then even though me know say she bad enough, but me never expect this from her, you know. But me not understand why she go sleep with your man and she knows say you and her sister. Right now, everything mash up for me overseas, you know, because me leave before the time. Me just did start save some money. Because me did want to sort out her life when me come back. But me end up come back before the time. Then the money they mash up, the work the money fi do not get done or nothing. Now me have to book flight before the time and come down. Anyway, Shania, me thank you very much. If you make you still stay here, because I know how you feel. Even though your sister, I know say you must feel bad. But thank you for make you stay with you still until me come. Because if in some people, sister are no sister, they would run a route. You understand? So me thank you. Thank you very much for everything what you do for me.
Me go give her a minute so you can talk to her.
Alright. Miss, and no more little girl again, you know. You never hear this saying before you be a mother. If you became a woman first. You're not a woman, not because you're brave. Come over here, son. Pick up the chair and come up here right there, son. Miss, I look like I are the mother now, you know. I'm the child. What is your problem? As far as me concerned, you know, mean yourself no good. Look what you're gonna do. And you know why it looks so shameful? It's shameful because you breed before time. It's shameful because you go breed for your sister, man. And it's shameful because you don't have no shame. It look like a me breed. Because I'm me a feel away. I'm me shame. And me leave you with her. And you is my child. You is 16-year-old. You know what people are going to say now? Eh? It's Joyce's daughter. But they with her sister, man. Joyce this, Joyce that. I don't know, me put you out to no man. Me leave you with somebody who responsible. You cannot control your mind. You make your mind control you. A matter of fact, a big man that. Whether you push on yourself or not, him should know better. But me glad say in there jail. Whether prisoner jail, then if it give him life, then something have to stop. The big man then fi stop. Interfere with the little children. Then fi stop it. Me know you're a big girl, you know. At the age of you have sense. You know right from wrong. So you know yes or no. Or make a report to your sister. No. It's sweet you. And you go do it. See that now?
Nothing sweet me. To be honest, I'm very sorry for what happened. Yes, me ashamed. If I could turn back time and change everything, I would. I'm really and truly sorry for what happened.
You never sweet you?
No, mommy.
It never sweet and you stay there until you get something in your belly. And you know, make the man know say you is a child if you don't agree with him. And if you take up him backside after you or go tell your sister, send do that.
But him force me to do it.
And you do not mention it to your sister. Eh? Little girl. It don't happen already. Me understand. Even though me old, me never ready fit on no granny, you know, but it don't happen already. So now me is a grandmother. But listen to me, me never want no grand pitney this a kind of way. Yeah. It don't happen already as me tell you. So area, me now go run you out of my house. You're going to stay there because you're underage. But there's a but. Listen to the but. You have to go find yourself a one woman center and learn a skill. You understand? Because you not done school yet, you know. You know a subject, nothing at all, nothing back and nothing you don't have. So you have to go at the woman center. And guess what? You see a spare time when you don't go to the woman center, you have to go look at job. Whether in a supermarket, remember a belly young, you know. A young belly, you can manage. When it get older, then me can put out effort and go and help you. And me will help you and support the child. You understand? Because it don't happen already. What me I go do? You understand me? And at this age, you're running a risk with your life. But, as me tell you before, you have to go start work and go to a woman center. You hear me say? You can't live so. See there now? Him gone to prison, he no out to help you. Because God Almighty, any of me when come at Jamaica and see him. He lucky you know I right place in there. I right place in there, make him stay and I hope they don't send him out back for now. Yeah. And I hope you learn from the mistake here. Learn from this. Use this what God give you. Use it. Use it and make sure that this not happen to you again. You hear what me say?
Yes, mama.
Huh?
Yes, mama.
Anyway. I can go inside to talk to your sister. But anyway. Make sure you learn from your mistake. Think about what you do.
Thank you guys for tuning in to Richard Brown Films. Thank you again for watching. And this movie is really a real true life story. So if any young girls out there going through any similar situation like this, do not be afraid to talk up. You can talk to your guidance counselor at school or your dean of discipline or somebody that you trust. You must have somebody who you trust. If you don't trust any family members or any close friends, talk about it. Don't sit down and be a victim, okay? Because life goes on. If you even get pregnant, pregnancy don't stop there, okay? You can go back to woman's center and do something good with your life, okay? So tell a friend about this movie and share, remember to share and like, okay? Peace out, 1GG.
Right, alright. And then as I said, no, miss.
And if you carry me, don't have to do it. You shame me.
Hold on, put on the mic. No, how much mic can you have?
2.
Not the place.
Can't you remember.
Alright, let's again. Ready? What is the name again, sir?
I work hard for it. You know, because these young females, you know, they're eating a lot of salt.
Yes. I understand.
But
Yeah, that.
you know.
The money if you do if you come waste your time at school, your favor show. Look here, the brother.
Oh wait, Candy.
Explain to me why the front door locked.
Hold on. Ready again.
As you said that.
Whoa, wait, hold on. A blackmail me. Alright, come again. One more time.
Ready? Action.
Okay, now.
Ready.
Can't you look for me too long? I beg you. Can't you look for me
Jay would have busted a lot. I told me
Because she's afraid I cuss you.
Jay would have busted a lot. Come here and do stuff on him. You talk about something a quarrel. Why you have to talk like this? Every time this happen, why we have to talk like this? Like me and cuss for something. Eh? You see, if you wasn't my daughter, I would have tell her something. Yeah.
Listen. You know the thing between you say, because if I can't get so low, you're going to exam the breeder, eh?
Oh, yeah.
I want to take shame out of where
You're really serious, but you're really serious. Please, son. What did you? At the end of the day, more
Wait, no man.
Because I want big decision to make. So you want somebody to come to you with this?
You have to tap tell lie when me bust up your head. Eh? Eh?
Oh, mister.
Please stop put up your phone on screen.
Eh?
No,
stop. No. 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 No.